Dear partners and customers, Arsenal Machinery would like to introduce to you new compressor modules for Amur gas processing factory, the factory that is now under construction of Gazprom Corporation, the leading Russian corporation responsible for extraction and transmission and distribution of gas. We are entering the module. At the entrance we see the receiver with manometer, then we see the refrigerator dryers, then we see absorption dryers with carbon column, then we see control panel with display. This module is fully automatic, but it is also capable for manual control. Here we see the receiver with manometer, and later we see compressor modules with coolers attached to the walls of the container. And here is a window that is under automatic control, and then we see the unit that is responsible for metering the dew point. Here it is. These modules are right now under installation process at the Amur gas processing factory that is associated with Kavikta and Chayanda gas fields. Here we are leaving the first module and we are entering the second module. It is more or less similar. We produced quite many modules for this factory, and we can say that we are very experienced in this sphere. Thank you very much for your attention.